If your outlet faceplate paint is peeling because of moisture, you need to switch to moisture-resistant plates fast to stop that mess. So, first off, grab some moisture-resistant outlet faceplates. They are usually made from plastic or metal and handle damp spots way better than regular ones. Before you swap out the plates, turn off the power at the breaker for safety because you don't want to get zapped. Next, carefully unscrew the old faceplates, and if the paint is peeling around the outlet, gently scrape off the loose bits without damaging the wall. Wipe down the area with a dry cloth to make sure no moisture is hanging around before you put on the new plates. When installing, screw the new moisture-resistant plates in snug but not too tight so they don't crack. If you notice any dampness behind the outlet, it's smart to check for leaks or other water sources nearby and get those fixed. You can also add a little silicone sealant around the edges of the new faceplates to create an extra barrier against moisture. Lastly, keep an eye on these spots over time so you catch any issues before they get worse. One of the biggest problems with outlet faceplate paint peeling because of moisture is using regular plates in humid areas like bathrooms or kitchens. Switching to moisture-resistant plates fixes that right up. Another mistake is forgetting to turn off the power before changing plates, which can cause serious injury. Always cut the power first. The third common issue is ignoring leaks or water problems behind the walls. If moisture keeps sneaking in, even the best plates won't help, so track down and repair any leaks as soon as possible. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle moisture issues and electrical work safely. It also supports contractors by connecting them with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get stuff done right.